So here I am embarrassing my wife as we are in public and I am talking on the camera. I regret to say that this will be the last part 3 of the Nebraska hunt and the last hunting episode of the Bird Tales until next September, which is saddening. But at any rate, I hope you enjoy the last part of our 3-day trip to Nebraska. So we're here. That's Kansas over there. There are hunters everywhere. There's a group of guys over there, there's a guy over there, guys over there. So we just grabbed this one because there wasn't anybody sitting on it. And yeah. Holy moly. This bottom back here, it had about 80 pheasants in it, and a buttload of quail, and none of the pheasants held. There was never a pheasant in range, was there, Will? Never one. About 80 out of there, at least. And Bill doubled on quail up here. I missed one, got one. Came up to help Will find his, found one. Look at Daisy, look at Daisy. Got one? Good girl, dude, good girl. Good girl, dude. Good girl. Flushed another one. Remy pointed it, and I was figuring it was just the cripple one that Will had hit, so I sent him in to grab it, and it just flew away. So I shot that one. Great spot. Will, why didn't we come here before? Will's been saying we need to go to this spot the whole entire trip, and I've been saying no. So kudos to Will for eyeing it out. But there's a lot of birds out there now. A lot of birds out there. So I just want a couple. All I want is a couple. Oh, it's done. Got it. Yes! Look at it, it's so high, that's why.
Double. Okay. Let's just let the dog's birthday here, you know? Come on in! Come on in! There's Quail on the tail. Come on, come on, come on! Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Get that bird, get that bird! Come on, Ernie! Come here, boy! Come on, man! Oh, good boy! Bring him in! Oh, good boy! Good boy! You can keep that feather. Good God!
Do you think they have a sponsor?
Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. The next episode is going to be here, the Pheasant Fest and Quail Classic in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, followed by a brush cut in northern Minnesota for the Minnesota Prairie Chicken Society and Sharp-tailed Grouse Society. So that'll be in a couple weeks or so. But we're going in. It's cold out here. See ya.